Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a small part inside your starter motor that can cause big headaches when it wears out, the starter motor brushes. If your car is having trouble starting, this might just be the culprit. Let's break it down. Starter motor brushes are small, spring-loaded carbon blocks. Their job is to transfer electrical current from the stationary parts of the starter to the rotating armature. But over time, they wear down, and when that happens, starting problems begin. Here are the key symptoms of worn starter motor brushes you need to watch out for. Sign number 1. Slow or sluggish cranking. This is one of the most common signs. As the brushes wear, the electrical connection becomes poor, and the starter motor doesn't receive enough current to spin the engine at its normal speed. It may sound like the battery is weak, even if it's fully charged. Sign number 2. Intermittent starting. The car may start perfectly fine one time, but then refuse to start the next. This is often because the worn brushes are making inconsistent contact with the commutator. A slight jolt from tapping the starter with a hammer or wrench can sometimes temporarily fix the issue and get the car to start, but this is a sign that the brushes are at the end of their life. Sign number 3. Clicking sound and no crank. When you turn the key, you may hear a single click from the starter motor's solenoid, but the engine won't crank. This indicates that the solenoid is engaging, but the starter motor itself isn't turning. The poor electrical connection from the worn brushes is often the culprit. Sign number 4. Grinding or unusual noises. Worn brushes cause a grinding or screeching noise because they make uneven contact with the commutator or slip ring. Brushes are typically made of carbon and are designed to wear down over time. As they become excessively worn, they can't maintain consistent, full pressure across the surface, leading to arcing and sparking, which results in a screeching or grinding sound. This is due to the intermittent contact and vibration as the brushes skip or chatter on the spinning surface rather than making a smooth, continuous connection. This poor contact not only creates the noise, but also accelerates the wear of both the brushes and the commutator. Now, keep in mind, these symptoms can sometimes be caused by other issues too, like a weak battery, corroded terminals, or a bad solenoid. So, always do a proper diagnosis before replacing the starter or its brushes. So, if your car is showing these signs, don't ignore them. Worn brushes won't fix themselves, and eventually your starter will stop working altogether. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our car repair tips. See you in the next one.